This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Troy Hensley. This beautifully renovated condo is located in the highly sought-after area between Maitland and Altamonte Springs. The home is move-in ready, with a new roof installed in 2020 and a newer HVAC system. The updated kitchen boasts solid wood cabinets, accent lighting, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. With 3 full bathrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, all completely renovated, the unit offers both style and convenience. The spacious master bedroom includes a large 6 by 20 walk-in closet, providing ample storage. Freshly painted, this condo requires nothing but a new owner to move in. Ramblewood Condominiums is conveniently located near major highways, shopping, and more, making it the perfect place to call home. For more information, review the details below.